Welcome to my channel. This is Lynette. Thank you, George, for your comment. I'm hoping that this will be your solution. This will be a solution to your issue at hand. What we're going to do, or what I'm going to do right here, is I'm going to make a task completion sheet. Here I have my name, so I have task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and as the days go by, we are going to continue adding more tasks. So if I go here and I put in task 5, so this will be ever growing. I'm a little lazy, so I want to be able to have this vertical header. I want to make these horizontal. And in order to do that, I'll use the formula called transpose, equal sign, transpose. I want to start at A4 and I want to finish the whole column. So anything in column A, oops, I have to change that to a 4. Anything in column A, I want it to transpose and I want it to make it all vertical. So there I go. Notice that if I go to task 6, it will automatically write it for me. So that's cool because I'm a little lazy like that. Oh, the next thing to do was to add in checkboxes. In order to add in checkboxes here, so the users can say, yes, I've done it, or leave it blank and it's saying, no, I have not done this task, we're going to add in a data validation. This data validation will give you the option to add a checkbox. And this checkbox the value is either true or false. So here it says false because it's not been done, and now it's been done, so the answer is now true. I want to be able to tally up and and show or display how many tasks there are and how many tasks have been completed. So the first thing I want to do here is I want to show how many tasks are here. So in order to do that, I want to do a count if, and I want to start it not at A3. I don't want to start it here. I want to start it here on A4. And then I want it for the rest of the column. So I have, oh, that's not right. Oh, count if, and then comma, parentheses, greater than sign, less than sign, and close the quote. That means I only want to count the stuff that's there, not empty cells. So here I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My number here should be 6. And there I go. If I add in another task, 7, then this count if answer will be 7. See? But now I want to go across here. Oh, notice I don't have any checkboxes, so what I can do is I can highlight. I can highlight, select it, and then use this blue box and auto fill. And then I can do it again for the row and then drag it down. So here I want to know how many tasks have been done for the day, or this is a subtask. I noticed that I cannot add in I can't change the name here if I'm using these as my name. So here I want to be able to say count if B4 all the way to the rest of B. Anything that is true, I want to count it. So here it says 1. If I have 3, it will say 3. And then what I can do here is I can drag from this B column all the way to H column. And so it'll tell me that I have no completed tasks in task 2. Now it looks a little plain. It's a little bit difficult to see. So I was going to add a format, which is the alternating colors. In the alternating colors, I want to change my range. It'll be B B1. No, not B1. B3. It's going to be B3. Actually, it's not going to be B. It's going to just be 3 because I just want to do all of 3 and then all the way to 10. So rows 3 to 10 will give me the range, and it will show me a style. Did that work? That didn't work. Apply the range to 3 all the way to 10. I guess I should do it here, 10. So then I say okay, and then I see it. It's a little, let's try that. That looks a little bit better. I can see it better. Okay, so now I have my alternating. The main issue is that I want to be able to see color-coded what needs to be done and what is already completed. I'm going to say done for that. To do that, so like I want to show that task 2, there's nothing's been done. So here it says 0. I want to make this red. But this one, there's 3. There's 7 tasks altogether, and this says 3. I kind of want to make it to be like an in-between color, so like yellow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add in a conditional format. Instead of using a single color, I want to use a color scale. And when I click on preview, I can actually select a specific color that I want. And I want it to go from red to yellow to green. Now the scale is backwards. Green here, it says it's the minimum value, but I actually want to change that to red. So the minimum value is 0. So if it's 0, make it red. If in the midpoint is 50%, and that will be yellow, we can do 50%. And then the max value, I want it to be green because green is, it's good, it's go, and everything is working well. The range that I want to do it at is 2. 2:2. So the whole row of 2 will color code. And then I say done. And there we are. So if you notice, there's no values here. I don't know if you want to add it or not. You can change the cell range. But if I add in a task 8, it will be there. And then when I need to have this title over, all I got to do is just go to this blue box and then drag it, and then do the same thing for the checkboxes and the horizontal checkboxes. So now I have 8 tasks. 3 is kind of in the middle. And if I continue to add in more check marks in the checkboxes, it changes color. I hope this works out well for you. And I'm thinking that this is what it is. But if not, let me know and I can figure out another way to improve upon it. Thank you again for your comment. And I hope this is good. Happy formatting, and good luck.